Aphorism 67, Organon of Medicine. These incontrovertible truths, which spontaneously offer themselves to our notice in nature and experience, explain to us the beneficial action that takes place under homeopathic treatment, while on the other hand, they demonstrate the perversity of the antipathic and palliative treatment of diseases with antagonistically acting medicines. Footnote: only in the most urgent cases where danger to life and imminent death allow no time for the action of a homeopathic remedy, not hours, sometimes not even quarter hours, and scarcely minutes, in sudden accidents occurring to previously healthy individuals, for example in asphyxia and suspended animation from lightning, from suffocation, freezing, drowning, it is admissible and judicious at all events as a preliminary measure to stimulate the irritability and sensibility, the physical life with a palliative, as for instance with gentle electrical shocks, with clusters of strong coffee, with a stimulating odor, gradual application of heat. When this stimulation is effected, the play of the vital organs again goes on in its former healthy manner, for there is here no disease. And yet the new section that mixes the two systems appeals, though in vain, to this observation, in order that they may have an excuse for encountering everywhere such exceptions to the general rule in disease, and to justify their convenient employment of allopathic palliatives and of other injurious allopathic trash, besides, solely for the sake of sparing themselves the trouble of seeking for the suitable homeopathic remedy for each case of disease, and thus conveniently appear as homeopathic physicians without being such. I might almost say, for the sake of sparing themselves the trouble of being homeopathic physicians and yet wishing to appear as such. But their performances are on a par with the system they pursue. They are nothing to boast of. They are corrupting, to be removed, but merely an obstruction and suppression of the healthy vital force. To his category belong various antidotes to sudden poisonings, alkalis for mineral acids, hypersulfurous for metallic poisons, coffee and camphor and ipecac for poisoning by opium. It does not follow that the homeopathic medicine has been ill-selected for a case of disease, because some of the medicinal symptoms are only antipathic to some of the less important and minor symptoms of the disease, if only the others, the stronger, well-marked characteristic and peculiar symptoms of the disease, are covered and matched by the same medicine with similarity of symptoms, that is to say, overpowered, destroyed, and extinguished. The few opposite symptoms also disappear of themselves after the expiry of the term of action of the medicament, without retarding the cure in the least.